BrandRoomMates. ColorPluto. Item Dimensions LxWxH18 by 5 by 0.01 inches. Surface recommendation wall. Room type bedroom. MaterialPlastic. Made in the USA. Assembled Pluto 25.5 inches wide by 41.5 inches tall. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Mickey Mouse's faithful canine friend, Pluto, is now here in wall decal form. Pluto measures over 3 feet tall when assembled on the wall, so he's sure to add a ton of fun to any Disney fan's bedroom. Pair him with our giant Mickey and Minnie Mouse wall decals, or match him to our Mickey Friends peel stick border for a full room theme. The possibilities are endless. Top reviews from the United States. Too cute not to have for any Pluto lover. This wasn't my first time applying wall decals, so I knew what to do, but I still found these to be very well made and not a single piece ripped. For the biggest one, I attach the bottom and then swipe the back off from behind it as you smooth it onto the wall. My son, and his sisters, loves his very own Pluto.